incredible experience. A bird just flew in my car. There it is. It's inside my vehicle. I'm gonna roll down the window. I hope it shouldn't bite me. But there's a bird in my vehicle. And I gotta back up a little. Hopefully it don't come towards me. I don't know why I'm so scared of a little bird, but most incredible situation is a bird here's a bird right there. It flew in my my van, and there's a bird sitting inside my vehicle. And I just turned off the vehicle. This is incredible. There it goes. I'm going to turn on and let it out, I guess, because I don't want to go in the back. But, and another bird is outside. It gets its pet. So, I'm going to let the bird go out of my truck. But this is a really incredible situation. But I'm going to be a nice guy, roll down my window. Okay? So, I'm going to let you go, bird. Even though this is an exciting situation. Bird flew into my van, and now I'm going to let it go. So, there, you're going to be free in a second. Go out. Go ahead. Go fly away. Fly away, or you're going to be stuck in here. There you go. It's gone. Wow. What an experience. I thought it was in a movie. The Attack of the Birds. Okay. Later. Bye.